Good morning, princess. I've already showered. And last night I slept. I passed out and I was too tired and exhausted, and I did not edit the vlog. But I will post 2 vlogs today, and yesterday's and today's, and make up for the lag. I'll do it while we're at the airport. We just have to check out in a bit. But I think we're gonna get breakfast. Let's see. Everyone's going to get ready. And my skin is breaking out because of all the food I've been eating. Psych. Let me quickly get ready. Such a bright sunny day. मुझे मौका मिला है अमीरों वाला बैग यूज़ करने का. तो अब किसी को मौका मिलता है तो मना थोड़ी करते हैं. मैंने मौके का फ़ायदा उठाते हुए बैग ले लिया है. हम रेडी होके फाइनली निकले हैं. We're gonna get breakfast quickly and we have a flight after that. आज सैटरडे है ना, इसलिए इतना खा लिया. नेपाल कैठमांडू पार्टी करके आया था सुबह सुबह बच्चे. And you remember Bossini? It's on first floor.
थोड़ा सा ट्रैफिक स्टार्ट हो गया.
Are you checking the map? How much is? But that day also like the blue tukka hai here.
Yes.
है ना?
It's the oldest. It's from 1999.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it's pretty new.
That's why it's written serving Nepali coffee since.
Oh yeah. I put that board also in one of my this thing videos. हम दोनों आए हैं नाश्ता करने, और अगर ये क्लोज होता तो हो जाती हमारी बेइज्जती, बिकॉज दिव्यांश नहीं आया, और हम आए हैं बिकॉज वी नीड आवर कॉफी. Just got their coffee. I think we finally got the first coffee of the trip. Yeah. Nicely now. Well, it looks nice.
It's eco-friendly.
Thank you for the coffee. Coffee le aaye hain. Now we're just having breakfast. And Akshay has come to meet. And Akshay got us so much bye-bye. I showed in the vlog. Princess slept last night. Princess did not edit the vlog.
She got back.
We got our breakfast. No naughty look. The room is a mess right now, and I need to quickly pack because we have our flight today. I have my flight back to Bombay, and these guys have their flight to Delhi. So we have to quickly pack, and it'll be a connecting flight for me. I'm also going back via Delhi. So at least half the travel I'll not be alone. Wow, Pittu, chalo jaldi karo.
ये ले.
My room, checking out. Mom gave me this. Actually, she gave me another one, but I took this one from Didi because it's matching my outfit. I just had to take a last outfit shot. Here.
Not going down.
It's going down. Leaving so soon.
पासपोर्ट का
मेरे पास.
गाड़ी नहीं आई.
पासपोर्ट का
गड्डी.
11:30 हो गए.
Oh my God, हम टाइम के कितने पक्के हैं.
It was.
Had fun.
Yes.
Relaxed.
Yes.
We'll come soon. Now where will we go?
Next trip.
Yeah. Checkout time. Sad. Next vacations.
Bye bye. Are you left with NPR?
हाँ.
Sanjay,
ये ब्यूटी की. आप बिगड़ी मेरी कहाँ से है?
खामखा खसीने में. दीदी खामखा खसीने में.
आ गया पसीने में.
You. See you later.
Thousands.
Give some thousands. See you
It's a weird
later.
smell.
I don't know what checking was done, but there was some scanner at the entrance. Now I think there will be one more security again. Our suitcases. गाइस हम सब सिक्योरिटी वगैरह सब कुछ करके वी आर वेटिंग एट द एयरपोर्ट बट दिस एयरपोर्ट हैज़ नथिंग लाइक ज़ीरो. इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली पथेटिक. तो मुश्किल है यहाँ बैठना भी. हाँ.
We had to put our bags
Yeah.
on the security
Yeah.
tray, I would want to say.
Yeah.
Everything got scanned. Then we went to check in. We
Yeah.
checked in at Air India counter.
Yeah.
Our luggage went in.
Then there was a
And
problem
then
with our
there
luggage.
was a problem with our luggage. So my brother was called to the secret room.
Yeah.
And they asked him to check what was inside, and we had to throw that thing away.
It was an open alcohol bottle.
Right. And then we came upstairs. We had immigration.
Yeah.
Then we had security check,
Correct.
where there was no clear indication of what all needs to be put on the tray.
Yeah.
So there was some confusion.
Yeah.
And everyone had to remove their shoes.
Yeah. And there were only
jackets.
2 lines of security, so like everyone was in the same place all at
Yeah,
once.
and थोड़ा धक्का मुक्की थी.
हाँ, मतलब everyone was fighting for trays and there weren't enough trays and like you need to display everything like electronics, shoes, सब कुछ separately, so you need a bunch of trays.
Right. And then when we came after security, the waiting area is,
Sad.
there's only one coffee shop which is really crowded, and there's a big queue. And I think the only thing that we can get is water. Luckily our friend Anoksha has given us
Bye
की
bye.
2 पेटी.
So we'll have YY now. If
और
you're
मम्मा तो
hungry.
नहीं खा पाएगी क्योंकि वो चिकन है. Mama will eat in the
We'll
air
find
fryer.
chips for mama right now. And we're just waiting.
1.5 hours later.
Oh my god.
Almost 1 now.
At least I got time to sit and edit.
1 घंटा अब.
Self in phone jail.
I have put you in phone
I
jail.
give you my phone.
For as long as you are able to edit 10 minutes of the vlog.
Okay.
Only then you will be able to use your phone. And my brother is finally back empty-handed. No, he's got snacks. That was a long queue. Snacks.
थ कौन देता है? थ बीच में से खाऊंगी तो चलेगा?
No. We are playing Antakshari at the airport to pass time.
बीच में से खाने दो ना.
Tick tick 1.
ठा करके ठा कर.
Tick tick 2. Wrong. This is not the song.
I thought I'll get away with it.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए. पानी गरम है तो फिर भी.
She doesn't even know the song.
Yes, that one. Such a sweet princess.
Best princess, best spooky princess.
I have taken over Devka Vinayak's vlog, and this is all I've just purchased all this right now. After standing in the queue for almost 30 minutes.
Like we told you, there's only one coffee shop, so it's difficult. Yeah, and pass the hot water.
इसे हम इस पे थोड़ा hot water डालेंगे. It just brings out
It
that.
has to be dry, but a little wet.
Yeah.
I think it's enough. पानी मस्त गरम मिल गया.
Normally say we used to steal hot water and then we used to make YY like this.
और अगर चुराते जिस दिन गर्म पानी नहीं मिलता था उस दिन स्टडी टाइम के शुरू में बना के डेस्क के अंदर रख देते थे, तो वो आधे टाइम या एंड तक ठंडे पानी से ऐसा हो जाता था खाने लायक. डेस्क के अंदर स्टडी टाइम में
ये लोग तो इतना भी करते थे, हम तो लड़के ठंडा पानी डाल के ही खा लेते थे.
खा लेते थे.
She's being a menace.
Dennis the Menace. देखा था?
Get the shot, girl.
टनकपुर नहीं आता, लखनऊ आता रास्ते
Shut
में।
up, यार.
टनकपुर तो फिर देहरादून जाते ना।
स्पीड भी तेज कर दी भैया ने।
I'll tell you
How
now.
is Delhi breathing? दीदी, what do you say?
We have landed.
गांधी से अंतर्देशीय कनेक्टिंग उड़ान से आगे यात्रा कर रहे अतिथि कृपया इमिग्रेशन और कस्टम्स क्लियर करने के बाद
आके जल्दी
अपना
आए।
चेक इन समाप्त
Just landed in Delhi and I have to transfer from here.
I have my flight to Bombay in an hour, so I have to run.
उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती।
गाइस हम पहुंच गए हैं और मेरा पैकेज भी आ गया है and I have to rush, but my brother and sister are buying something from duty free. As shopping.
Still shopping.
Still shopping.
And you are ready to say
Bye.
bye.
See you. Pay.
Say bye. I have to check these two in again.
Late. I might miss this flight, but उसने मुझे बोला रिक्वेस्ट करके जल्दी अंदर जाना. I was super late today. मेरी फ्लाइट का बोर्डिंग टाइम is departure time is 6, so boarding time is probably 5:30, and right now it's 5:23, and I'm probably very very late. And I just requested them to let me in, and they did help. And now I just have to run to my gate, or I'm gonna miss the flight. कभी भी ये टिकट नहीं बुक कर पाऊँगी ऐसे. My gate number is 45, and I'm at 39B right now. It is still far. I think it should be 5 minutes from here, but I'm tired. I can't run anymore. God, I can see my gate right now, and everyone's seated, so I think I'm on time. I'm pretty chill. Finally.
Seated for inspection. On behalf of Air India, we wish you a pleasant.
भाई आज तो literally crazy हो गया. I never run so much at the airport. But yeah, it was important to go back to Bombay for me, because you will see why.
I am breaking my own rules and eating dinner in bed today. This is the Mediterranean bowl from Harvest, and Harvest is too good. I love Harvest. It's my favorite. I'm supremely tired, but I didn't post yesterday's vlog, so I'm posting that now, and I've just posted it. And now I have to take this vlog live, today's vlog. But I'll keep my promise.